Hi royalties, I'm Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY. Welcome back to the palace. And for today's video, we're doing an unboxing and a DIY. But before we jump into this unboxing and DIY, if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Tap your bell twice and you'll know when I am uploading a video. Alright, now both of these things sound interesting. I just need you to please keep watching. Jump into this unboxing, I'm going to show you what we'll be using for this Glam Elegant DIY. Now what I'm using is, I'm using that royal blue, cobalt blue, but more of a royal blue hurricane vase, and they were from the Dollar General, and two of those small candle holders with that gold edge, and that came from the Dollar Tree, plus my glues and my embellishments. But if you want to see what we're going to turn this DIY into with these two items, make sure you stick around after that unboxing. Now again, this is a BeeBeeCraft.com unboxing. You know, I've been partnering with BeeBeeCraft probably for almost a year now. And I'm going to drop their link down in my description box, plus the item description code for each item that I did purchase. Also too, if you would like to partner with BeeBeeCraft.com, you just got to have 100 subscribers, and I'm going to drop that information to become a part of their YouTube sponsorship program. And this time, everyone, I do got a couple of different items. So my package came like this. I can't turn it so you won't see that melanin dress. And they always wrap their stuff very well. So we're going to unbox it like I got it now. I'm just going to pull it all out. Now I got two items that are the same, but two items that are different. And again, we are still doing that crushed rhinestone hot fix sheet. And this sheet was actually larger than the other, but again, look at all that sparkle coming off that hot fix sheet. And you can cut these, you can actually do these, apply these with your heating machine, or you can do like I do a lot of times. I just take my glue of my choice and I glue it onto my projects. But you're going to be seeing kind of a different scale DIYs with these items that's coming. And I got one of those, and it was $13.29. And again, this sheet is larger than the other sheets. It is the 9 by 5 by 15.25, and the other one was like 9.5 by 12.75. So it's quite a bit larger. So we have one of those, and I'm showing you what I got that is the same first. I have another of that hot fix sheet with that crystal rhinestone. And again, this sheet is larger, the same use applies. Now, you can use these. These are great crafting items for wedding ideas, wedding crafts, for wedding projects, or just like if you're a glam lover like myself, just to add some very beautiful glam decor throughout your home. And again, this sheet is larger, and it is the same size, that 9.5 by 15.75. But look at those rhinestones, and I may need to do it this way. Look at those rhinestones. You're going to be seeing this in a project, and I'm going to actually use some of this in the DIY that we got coming. right after this unboxing. Now my next item is Panda Hall Elite Creative on Fingertips. It's the jewelry making plier set. Yes, you heard me, the jewelry making plier set. And it's a three-piece set. And this, you guys, was actually $6.79. You know, I ordered some pieces to do a couple of jewelry. Did I use some of the pieces in a DIY? But I actually wanted to make a couple of the jewelry for myself. So we have that. And again, all of these item description codes will be down in my description box. Now finally, our final item is this Rhinestone chain. And it's the 3-row rhinestone chain, and it looks like that. I'm gonna unpackage it so you can see the full details of this piece. And it looks like that, but that chain looks like that. And again, all of these items are very easy to cut, very easy to use. So make sure if you like these items, you go down and hit the links in my description box. Make sure you use my item discount code. I can't talk to everyone. My item discount code to actually pick up you some items. Right now, if I'm not mistaken, they got like a little 15-20% sale on quite a few items on their site. So please make sure you check that out. All right, now without further ado, let's get right into this DIY. I'm sitting everything out of the way. And again, for this DIY, I am going to be using some of that rhinestone or that diamond crystal rhinestone to do these hurricane vases. Now, you know I'm always over the top, but you're going to use your vases again, the glue of your choice, your glue gun, and your glue stick. So I have my glue gun ready and the scissors. And this is going to be a very simple DIY. I just want to add or enhance the elegance of this piece. Now every piece, if you're like me, you're a DIYer. Sometimes I know I'm very over the top and extra, but some items do not need all of the pizzazz. Some items are gorgeous in itself, and all you have to do is just enhance the pieces. What we're doing with these. So we are taking these Dollar Tree candle holders, and I'm going to take the sticker off the bottom. I like to have my tags off, especially when I'm using glue on something. Just a tip for DIY projects, especially if you're using hot glue or even your regular glue. When you put it on the paper that's on the bottom or something, 9 times out of 10, the item will come apart, and it always come apart where the paper is. So we got that out. And what I'm doing, and you see, according to the color, you know this is an item for my living room, but it has this gold trim. I don't need gold. So I'm just going to take my rhinestone sheet, and I need a strip of 6. And again, this is very easy to cut. So we're going to cut it. One strip of the 6. And when you're using this product here, you have to be very careful because you can cut your diamonds on this very easily. And it's time to get more scissors. And to everyone, I'm going to tell you, for our scissors, those Betty Crocker scissors, when they get these in at the Dollar Tree, they are amazing. And all I'm going to do is just line that on the bottom trim of that vase. First take this out the package. It's actually sticky on the top and the bottom. Alright, now that I have trimmed my piece, I'm going to take my E6000 and I'm just going to add it to the bottom of the Dollar Tree candle holder. And again, this is going to be very simple, very easy. I just want to enhance the look. And I'm going to just take that strip and just layer it on there. That away. Layer it on, add a little bit of pressure so it can lay down. And she looks like that. So while that's drying, I want to take my hurricane, and I've already pre-cut a strip of that tin, and I am just going to take that E6000 again. And this time I'm just adding it on my embellishment. And I'm just going to layer it on. I'm just layering it on like this. And that's it. And when you use the glue on these hot fix sheets, you just have to play with it for a while because they have the tendency to like roll or curl up. And you just have to play with it a little bit so that, but once you get those ends to stick down, you're good to go. Now I'm going to do this while this is drying. I'm gonna probably wait about 5 minutes, then we'll come back so we can attach our pieces together. My piece is semi set, and that's all I wanted to do to dress it up and then cut. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just add some my E6000 to the bottom and some hot glue. Just going to turn this upside down, and I am going to eyeball it before I add pressure to lock it in place. That's it, everyone. Now I'm going to style these in my space. And you will see it's the reason why I wanted this on here shortly when I show you them styled in my space. But that concludes this DIY. And again, make sure you check out that description box for the item description code for the items that I did purchase the items that I received through sponsorship inside of this video. To everyone, drop me a comment. Let me know what you like about the vase, what you would have done different, or what you would have added for embellishments to actually enhance it. But I wanted this piece to enhance the color of that vase while still giving it my pop with my glam. So that concludes this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you're watching and you're still not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button, tap your bell twice, and you'll know when I am uploading a video. And you know, your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Alright everyone, here are these Glam Hurricane vases styled. And this is what it looks like. I styled it with my other DIY, and I'm dropping a link for this DIY in the description box also. But this is what she's looking like.